Hello, 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 welcome back to my channel. My name is Scrap Queen and today I have something different to show you. I've been asked by Rosa Kelly to join a hop, and this hop is about her new digital paper set, Santa Love, and so she asked me to join. And first of all I had to ask what a hop is, and many times I did ask what a hop exactly meant and still doesn't know exactly what it is, but she explained pretty clear to me. So the meaning was to make a project with her new digital set and release this video on the 20th November and on the exact time. Now I hope the time is a little bit doable for me, because yeah, I live in Holland, not in the USA, so we have totally different time. So hopefully it's not in the midnight for me. Anyway, look how amazing this already looks. So do you like to see what I made with the new printable set from Rosa Kelly called Santa Love? Then stay tuned. Alright guys, most of you know me by now, and I was asked to do a little project. That's not, I always think, oh yeah, cute, a little project, let's do that. And then I think, what shall I make? And and then I always look first at the papers that I got to play with, and I always tell you guys that the papers are telling me what they would like me make of them. That sounds crazy. It is, yes it is, but mostly yeah, I do see papers so well, every day I see papers, but yeah, not every paper is suitable for everything, well, in my opinion. And I am an album maker and I could not resist. Yes, I made a junk journal of it. So, okay, let me reveal you my new junk journal made with the new printable set, Santa Love. Alright, so the first thing you will see, okay. Well, first of all, it was an experience for me because I used for the first time fabric on the cover. So that was new for me. So it was a lot of fun for me to do this project. And yeah, I just went on and on and on. And oh, I have this in my stash and I have this in my stash. And now I can use this and now I can use this. Love this project. And it, yeah, it goes on and on and on. Okay, but first, alright, so this is the front, and I would, yeah, because it's a fabric, well, let me first, how can I tell you this? I thought it would be fun to have a removable front. So this is actually a pocket. So I glued it down first on a piece of paper and then cut out as close as I can get around all those flowers. And then I can put in here everything that I like. So if I want to give this to someone, I can make a little photograph of myself or for my family or anything. If I don't want to put a photo in here, I can write something down for her or him or a child. That's totally up to you. And I think it's nice and personal. And then the person who gets this can take this off and put something other behind here. Perhaps a nice photograph, or the Christmas or Santa Claus being anything. You can put anything in this pocket, but for now I have this behind it. Alright, so I think it's so cute. So you can make any cover you like. And then this is the side. I use some lace for the back, and so it's completely covered with fabric. And it's a nice cotton fabric. I never did this before. It was such a cool experiment. And I did add something underneath here, so that's why it's so thick. It's so soft. Oh my gosh, I love it. And I think it's not the last time that I'm going to use fabric, but gosh, I love it. Alright, so let's dig in. Okay, so we have 3 inserts, but First of all, I made a pocket with a magnetic flap, and inside, and this is also made from fabric. Inside I made a little envelope where I added all the advent numbers. So the person who gets this can use them in these pages. So you can use them for 1 December or 5 December or anything. So I just wanted to keep that as an option to use them. So that is a magnetic closure. And then on top I made a nice old pink lace pocket, so you always can add loads of pictures in here. And doing this, I added some journal spots just to show you that there is a pocket, and I love to put something inside already. And then this closes down magnetic. Alright, so here we have the first insert, and as a junk journal I love to make some tuck spots, and I love to add some lace on the side, simple pockets, and nice little booklets where you can write something down, but you can put your photos in here, and this goes on and on and on. And here is a nice envelope and coffee dyed papers. Here that was an experiment for some other. I loved, by the way, these journal these journal pages. Love to do this. And yeah, so it goes on and on. I don't need to show you every single page, but as you can see, a nice pocket here and a pocket here. This is lace, this is paper, and it goes on and on. I made some little tags with the Oxide ink that I bought recently. And here is a little pocket. And here is a little belly band. Lots of place, guys. So cute. I hope I am in frame. Alright, here we have a pocket. Here we have a belly band. So yeah, you can use anything that you have in your stash to make such a thing. Use your imagination, and I just love making junk journals. You can add pockets, you can add lace to it, and other pockets, and some journal pages inside. You can add your pictures inside. Everything is possible in a junk journal. I just love it. It's so cool, and it does not have to take much time. But yeah, it's just when you're just gonna start making a junk journal, then maybe look at this. So cute. Maybe it's overwhelming, but if you just start and see what you have in your stash, you can use so many things. And then here I made a nice envelope for the leftover pages. So yeah, just start and see what you want to make. Belly bands, pockets, little pockets, tuck spots, add some lace on the side, and you also can create a nice pocket, and it goes on and on. And these papers are so cute. Nice pastel tints. Love it. So easy to work with. And look at this. Super cute. It's so cute. It's so cute. Love these pages. So nice to use them. But you can tuck in your photos or your other letters, of course. You can do anything what you like. So cute to make those little tags. A little belly band and another belly band with paper, and another little booklet with some journaling spots inside. Another journal page, and here is also a little tuck spot right here with the lace. And then here is a little pocket. Here is the same as the envelope, but then I made a top opening, top loaded pocket. Again, a nice pocket. Yeah, you can add as many pockets as you like, or as less pockets. I just love pockets. I don't know, I am a pocket addicted person, I don't know, but I just love to add things inside. And that's it. And then the last one, I just made a a lace pocket, which I think the color fits perfectly to this project. And that was it. Oh my gosh, yep. I hope you liked it. So give Rosa Kelly a big thumbs up for her new printable digital collection, Santa Love. Give her a big thumbs up. I just love working with that. Rosa, thank you so much for asking me to join your hub. I am truly honored that you asked me. Well, yeah, I'm just living in Holland, and yeah, and USA is so big as you asked me. So I'm honored and blessed that we are friends, craft friends, and yeah, love chatting you, love all that you do, and just keep coming up those lovely, lovely, lovely printables. And hope to see you next time. I hope that I can do something more in the future together with you. Alright, so thank you so much, and big applause about Santa Love, and Happy Christmas already. Bye bye.